Yo, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I turned this Kurapika cosplay into a poster design. I'll be showing everything layer by layer, so keep in mind that this video will be very short. Alright, so to start things off, I'm gonna explain to you what I actually did for the image, so that we can get that out of the way. What I did was add like a reddish aura around him, because in Hunter x Hunter the power system revolves around Nen, and we do know for a fact that Kurapika has the scarlet eyes, so I just decided to give him a red aura. And there will be some chains falling behind him, doing all that extra stuff. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you step by step what I did to eventually get to the end result. And the end result being this, which will show you for some reason. So the end result being this. Alright, there we go. Okay, so first things first, I probably did a lot of stuff for the auras behind him, so we're gonna show that right now. So you got boom, some chains, drop shadow on the chains, some satin, and some bevel and emboss to make it look like actual chains, as you can see. Alright, so then we got the first base aura. Alright, so there you go, boom. The second layer, boom. Some reddish on it to make it pop on it, and a bit of more whitish tints in the aura behind him to make it special-ish, I guess. Alright, so now that we got the aura part of the way, let's start with the lighting and shadows and all of that. Also, I actually forgot to mention, but this is a very old design of mine, as you can see by my watermark, because this is like one of my older watermarks. So yeah, just keep in mind this is also like one of my older designs, so this might not be very good at the end, but yeah. Step 1, the shadows. I enforced some shadows a bit, even more shadows. We then added some highlights. As you can see, it does make like a huge difference, especially in the eyes. Then we got even more shadows. Boom, just like that, making him look very sexy. A bit more red highlights, even more red highlights. Of course, even more red highlights. A lot of red highlights. And I don't know what that did, but yeah. Oh, yo, stuff a lot. And of course, the scarlet eyes, having some extra effect on it. I know it looks very pixelated if I zoom in on it, but shit, man, it is what it is. So boom, here we have the next one. Alright, so aside from this, bro, I'll be real, I'm sorry. So on to the final part before I start finalizing everything, and that is the extra add-ons on Kurapika's hair. So first we have some highlights on his hair, and then boom, some shadows to make his hair even pop more. Alright, so yeah, man, I'll be real, that was it, bro. Like, the other stuff I did was just some extra add-ons to make it look even better. So yeah, this is the first section. I don't know if it really makes like any difference, but yeah, this is the first one, and this is the second one. And I added some cinematic bars to make it, a bit more cinematic. And then we have my watermark. Alright, so yeah, guys, I know this video is very short, but this is gonna have to be it. Alright, so I'm gonna let you have a last look at the design. So yeah, please look at this shit from bottom to top. And now from top to bottom. And yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, until next time, peace.